Hi everyone, I'm Lisbeth. Thank you for tuning in on Moseholm Yoga. If you come with Moseholm Yoga to Samsø Yoga Retreat, you can expect to indulge in nature. Enjoy yummy healthy food. Lots of yoga. And meditation. Take a deep breath in by your nose and long, slow breath out your mouth. Deep breath in to fill you up and long, slow breath out. Relax, letting go of any tension you might hold in your body. You will have time to explore your surroundings. Time to socialize. Time to enjoy every sound, every smell, every sensation of nature. Or to just enjoy the stillness. There will be optional introduction to permaculture.
And since you are here in these wonderful summer days, I think it's a good thing to know a little bit about why it is the way it is and all the thought and inspiration that went into making the garden, because maybe it'll open up for you in a different way.
Introduction to the Ayurvedic principles and Ayurvedic food. Time to just relax, gear down, sleep well, feel at ease and feel good. I'm looking forward to welcome you on Moseholm Yoga Samsø Retreat.